Hello guys, this is Nicholas and today we are going to talk about the time, okay? So to start with, what is important for you to remember is the question that you are going to ask for the time. How do you ask for the time? What time is it? Repeat, what time is it? Very good. Now, to say the time, we are going to pay attention to the minutes. And this time we're going to divide the clock in two. So only about the minutes. I am going to talk about the minutes from 1 to 30 minutes, okay? Because you can say it's 15 minutes after 3. So, son 15 minutos pasadas las 3. Or it's 20 minutes past 2. Son 20 minutos pasadas las 2. Also, remember that you can use after or past. Both are synonyms, okay? Both are correct, okay? So we can use after or past. And other example is it's 10 minutes past 5. Son 10 minutos pasadas las 5 de la tarde o las 5 de la mañana. It's 25 minutes after 5. Son 25 minutos pasadas las 5. So we can use, remember that we can use after or past only from the minute 1 to the minute 30. Okay? Let's have some practice. So here we have this clock. What time is it, guys? It's 10 minutes past 10. Son 10 minutos pasadas las 10 de la mañana o las 10 de la noche. Or the other simple way is it's 10 and 10 minutes. Son las 10 y 10 minutos. So there are two different ways in which we can say the time. Let's keep on practicing. Now, we have this example. What time is it? It's 7 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes. It's 7 minutes past or after 4. Okay, 4. Or, very simple, it's 4 and 7 minutes. Son las 4 y 7 minutos. Okay? Remember that here you can use only one, or past or after. Se usa uno, o pasa, o pas, o after. Uno de los dos, no los dos. Now we continue with 30 minutes, or a half. Repeat, a half. Half. Very good. Now, here we have one example. What time is it, guys? It's 4 and a half. 4 and a half. Or another way, that it's 4 and 30 minutes. Son las 4 y 30 minutos. Or the other way, that is, it's half past 4. Es media hora pasadas las 4. Okay, so here we have three different ways. Okay, let's keep on practice. Here we have it's 9 and a half. It's 9 and a half. Okay, or it's 9 and 30 minutes. Son 9 y 30 minutos. Or it's half past 9. Okay? Very good. Do you understand? All right, let's keep on moving. Now, you need to pay attention. Remember that 30 minutes, it's half. Now for 15 minutes, we have quarter, what we call in Spanish, cuarto. Okay? For example, it's 2 and a quarter. Son las 2:15. 2 and a quarter. Okay? Or it's a quarter past 2. Son un cuarto pasadas las 2. Or it's 2 and 15 minutes. Okay? Very good. Let's see some other examples. Here we have this clock. What time is it, guys? Okay, it's 5:15. Son las 5:15. Or it's 5:15. Or the other way, it's 5:15. Okay, very good. Now, we are going to divide the clock in the other half. Okay, we are missing from the minutes. Remember that these are minutes. Okay, minutes. And these are from the minute 31 from the minute 60. Okay, only minutes. So we are going to pay attention when we call in Spanish el faltan tanto para las horas. Okay, for example, here we have some examples. It's 20 minutes to 9. Son 20 minutos, faltan 20 minutos para las 9. Faltan 20 minutos para las 9. Or, it's 9:45. Faltan un cuarto para las 10. It's 5 minutes to 12. Faltan 5 minutos para las 12. Okay? Let's practice. So here we have this example. ¿Cuánto hace falta para que sean las 2? 10 minutos. Okay, so you pay attention first to the minutes. It's 10 minutes to 2. Faltan 10 minutos para las. Acuérdense que el para las es el to. Faltan 10 minutos para las 2. Okay? Or we can give a simple way that is it's 1:15. Son la 1:50 minutos. Okay? Very good. So here we have other example. It's 11 minutes. No, it's not 11 minutes. It's 6 minutes. It's 6 minutes to 8. Faltan 6 minutos para las 8. Or it's 7:54 minutes. It's 7:54 minutes. Son las 7:54. Okay? Here we have another example. What time is it? ¿Cuánto hace falta para que sean las 12? Un cuarto. How do you say un cuarto in English? A quarter. Very good. So here we can say it's 11:45. Or it's 11:45 minutes. Okay? Here we have another way, other important vocabulary, that is o'clock. Repeat, o'clock. That is en punto. Okay? Now, what time is it, guys? La una en punto. So how do you say la una en punto? It's 1:00. Okay? Now, what time is it? It's 4:00. Very good. It's 4:00. Other vocabulary that we can see here is sharp. Sharp is en punto, but you say, for example, I see you at, what time is it here? It's, I see you at 2:10 sharp. Or I see you at 10 minutes after 2 sharp. It's like nos vemos a las 2:10 en punto. Sharp es en punto, pero no en punto las 00, sino como un tiempo que te pones, que nos vemos a las 2:10 en punto. ¿Ok? Sharp. Repeat. sharp. Very good. Now we have at, but what is this? For example, I wake up at 6 o'clock. Yo me levanto a las. So at is a las. Yo me levanto a las 6 en punto. Or I cook at 2:30. Yo cocino a las 2:30. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you can remember the vocabulary. Remember the important vocabulary for time, that is after, past, or we can have half, quarter, to, sharp, at. Okay, very good. See you next class.